Welcome back to another exciting renovation walkthrough. Today, we're taking you inside a high-end bathroom designed to feel like a private 5-star retreat. As you enter the bathroom, the focal point is this freestanding soaking tub finished in matte black. It's made from solid surface stone composite, a premium material known for its seamless finish, durability, and excellent heat retention, ideal for long, relaxing baths. To the left, the bathroom transitions into a fully glass-enclosed wet area. The frameless glass keeps the layout visually open. The shower is equipped with a ceiling-mounted rainfall shower head, paired with a vertical shower column. The fixtures combine chrome with black accents, striking a balance between modern contrast and timeless luxury. Opposite the wet area, you're met with a floating double vanity. By lifting the vanity off the floor, the space immediately feels lighter and more refined. This design choice is a hallmark of modern luxury bathrooms. The surrounding walls are finished in Venetian plaster, a hand-applied surface known for its soft movement and depth. Unlike standard paint, Venetian plaster reacts to light, giving the walls a subtle variation that adds richness and craftsmanship to the space. Every material in this bathroom was chosen not just for appearance, but for how it contributes to the overall experience. This is the kind of craftsmanship and material detail VKB Kitchen and Bath consistently delivers. We are VKB Kitchen and Bath.